What I think is interesting as a teacher, especially when you're going to train to be a high school teacher, you have to take a lot more math than you would have to teach. And the question is, why should you have to take more math than what you have to teach? One of the reasons is so you can see where it all threads together. You spend a lot of time with polynomials in your algebra classes, and you really don't have any idea why. And the reason you actually do is because you're getting ready for calculus. And polynomials are nice because they have no problems. They don't have holes and asymptotes, and you can plug any number in there and it's completely justified to do so. So we're going to use that fact right now. It's one of the most important facts about polynomials, and that's why we study them. I'm doing number 5, you're assigned number 4. So there's no worries, there's no weirdness. I spelled weirdness wrong. I don't have spell check with handwriting. And so I'm allowed to just plug in my 2, because I want to know what happens to the y as x gets close to 2. If I graph this, there's going to be a nice smooth curve with some bumps, and there's really no issues. And so I can just plug in 2 into here and I get 88. So I need to recognize that to be able to do this. And that's why you study polynomials so much. Right? So that's simple as that. So your number 4 should be pretty easy because it's a polynomial as well. Be careful with that -3. Make sure you put it in parentheses. I use Excel just so I can see my parentheses and see where I make a mistake, or you can put it in Mathematica. But I'd be careful on the calculator. It's hard to see your parentheses. So make sure you have your parentheses around -3 when you put it into the cube and the square and so forth.